It's Lucy here, and I'm with my boyfriend Sam. Glossybox have sent us a box each, and they've also sent questions for me to ask Tom. So it's going to be like a boyfriend tag thing. So Glossybox have sent Tom their limited edition grooming kit. This is so heavy, it won't even shut, there's so much in this. And I got the Glossybox February box, which is a Sing, Dance, Love, Repeat one. Look how good that looks. So we're gonna unbox these. Look how good it looks. I did have a look at the leaflet before and I thought, oh my god, this is such a good box. There's so much, it smells really nice as well. Bulldog.
Bulldog. Original moisturiser, I do use it.
Oh my god, it's got a Glam Glow hydrating treatment. How good is that?
Lacoste spray as well.
Lacoste spray.
Oh,
why do you open that? I never smell. Oh my god, that smells like something you'd wear.
That smells nice.
Oh my god, that is nice. That smells so expensive. It's only £2.99. That's crazy. What's that?
Beard oil.
Beard oil.
Face exfoliating scrub.
Ah, there we go. You love that. Wait, so that one is £8.99.
Expensive.
The Great British Grooming. Full size version. It's got this mask, and this mask is from Filorga. This as a deluxe mini 15ml is £13.50. It's an intensive mask that's been designed to illuminate and brighten skin. It's got collagen in as well, which is good for the skin. Well, yeah, it like gives you a glow.
Does it?
Yeah, you've got a Fudge.
I need a glow.
Moldable hair. Oh, Fudge is such a good brand as well. That's well good. That's £15.50.
£32.
Oh my god. Face cream. Oh, this is a really good brand. It's by eCooking Men. I've got stuff by these before. So yeah, £32 face cream. That's a full size version. That's really good. It's vegan as well. It's made with natural and organic ingredients. I'm gonna give mine a unbox. Look, the tissue paper's got headphones on. Oh my god, I love that colour. That is my favourite colour. That's like, well, it's one of my favourites. Yeah, I love blue. We've got a bubble tea hand cream. Ooh.
It's £4.99 for that there.
£4.99. Oh my god, teamwork.
Packed with the fresh scents of ripe peaches and a touch of bubbles. Oof.
I love peach. Peach is actually my favourite. Peach and coconut.
Smells nice. Yeah, there's your lip.
Oh, that's so nice. So yeah, that's £4.99. Oh, Steve Laurent lip mask.
That's £5.
£5 for that. Steve Laurent is a really good mate. Glow On Fifth Beauty Rose Facial Massage Beauty Tool. I was looking at these the other day. That is so weird.
That's £10.
£10 for this. Let me just try to get it out of the box. Oh my god, I'm excited to use this. I think it like massages your face. It's like them jade rollers. It's similar to that. God, look how nice
it is. This facial massage tool helps contour your face and neck to enhance your features.
Oh my god. I'm definitely using that. I think I'm going to do that tonight, you know.
Use this.
Take my makeup off and give myself a massage. We've got this. This is £58. £58 for this.
The scrub will leave your super soft, kissable lips just in time for Valentine's Day.
Is that what it says?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's got hyaluronic argan oil. Ah, that's some good ingredients. £58 for that. The last item in the box is from Nude Sticks. This is a full-size gel colour lip and cheek balm. So it's like a 2-in-1. This is £20. Let me just do a quick swatch. Oh, that's like a very thick formula, thick creamy formula, and it's got a really nice shine to it. Love that. Love myself a red lip. I actually wore a red lip last night for Valentine's Day. But that would be so good as like a cream blush. So that's the boxes. How good were they? You've been spoiled. That is a big box. Well, yeah, Fudge is such a good brand.
Fudge.
But there's so many products in there that are a lot of like money.
I like stuff for my skin as well, do you know what I mean?
Yeah, you got a lot of skincare in there. Yeah. Exfoliating scrub. A Nivea face wash. So thank you Glossybox for sending those out. But they've actually gave me some questions to ask Tom and do like a little boyfriend tag. So I've zoomed us in and we're just gonna sit back and answer some questions. I want to see how much you really know me.
This is what this is about, yeah?
I've never actually done a boyfriend tag, so this is interesting. This is a really good one. What beauty product couldn't I live without? And I'll be shocked if you don't get this.
Bronzer.
Yeah!
Did I get it right?
Yeah, bronzer.
Woo!
If I was stuck on a desert island, what one item would I have to have with me?
Your phone.
Yeah, but I'd have nowhere to charge it.
Yeah, so what? It'd run out. Hairbrush? Something? I don't know.
Hairbrush?
What, if
Oh,
you
that's
were
so full.
If you were...
I don't even know myself.
Motorbike for me.
Well, yeah, that's actually so true. I would never have got that.
Crosser. I don't know, probably a tennis ball or something for you.
Out of the February box, what product couldn't I live without and why? And I need to answer the same for you with the grooming box.
I think it is that.
Yeah!
Because you
100%.
You were always buying things to like, do you know, to like get your face all like smooth,
yeah, like,
and like
rollers and stuff.
Like stuff like
yeah,
that.
that's so true. So I think it would be the facial scrub or that. I think that would be good to use. Like after I've seen Tom use that, he normally doesn't use anything in his hair, but I think that's really good. But I would go between a facial scrub and that. Oh, this is such a good one. Who wears the pants in the relationship? Me.
What?
I don't really think that it, like, either
No,
of
it
us
doesn't.
do.
None of us do.
I don't think, no. We both set boundaries.
Yeah,
So we both have different things that we go by, like, we're quite mature in that way, I think.
Mm.
So we don't wear, none of us wear the trousers.
None of us.
We both fit in a, like, my favourite drink to order when I go out.
Podstar Martini.
Yeah. I'm going to guess yours. Coors Light. What is it called?
No, like yeah. Don't get me wrong. I do like a beer.
You just say it, because I
Double
don't.
Southern Comfort with lemonade.
A double Southern Comfort.
That's what I get when
Have
I
I
go
ever
into town.
seen you
Yeah,
get
yeah.
that?
Yeah.
I don't pay attention to what you drink at all, do I?
Double Southern
Unless we're
Comfort
on a
with
date
lemonade.
night.
Well, nice
You get
ones.
beer on a date night, don't you?
Yeah.
What can I spend hours doing?
Editing.
Oh my god, yeah. Out of work wise, what would I spend hours doing?
Looking at stationery and like,
What?
going to B&M looking at stationery.
Oh yeah, definitely. B&M.
What would I do?
You would play on the Xbox and like you spend hours on that screaming at the TV. Favourite thing about each other? Where do I start? Just funny. Like,
Yeah, not the same. Yeah,
but
yeah.
ridiculously funny where I'm like actually laughing, like, because I see Tom as like a best friend and a boyfriend, like, and that's like the best relationship to have because it's just full of laughter all the time.
Just a nice lass, you make me laugh.
So the next question is, what 10 things do you love about me? But you've got 30 seconds to answer, so I'm going to put a countdown on. I'm going to show you all. So I'm going to set a timer for 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go.
Right, you're good looking. You got nice eyes. You do your makeup well.
Oh, thanks.
You always have these nails on. I quite like that.
Thanks.
Nice smile.
Aww.
You're a generous person. You're a loving person. You're nice.
Funny.
Funny. How many seconds are left?
None.
Uh,
That was good though. Now I'm going to do it.
3, 2, 1, go.
You're funny, you're good looking, you got perfect teeth, you got lovely blue eyes, you've got a kind heart, you're caring, you're nice to your siblings and your family, and you're hygienic, you don't smell, you got good hair, and your breath don't stink. Oh my god, I got 10! Okay, glosses. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It's just like a cute little boyfriend tag thing, relationship Q&A, and I've actually enjoyed doing this. If you want to see more content like this, then subscribe to Glossybox and like this video. If you are interested in getting a box and having a look, there is so many limited edition boxes and monthly boxes available on glossybox.co.uk. So head over to the website or their Instagram to have a little look. But that's been the video, and I hope you've enjoyed it. Bye!